This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen today. I'm Megan, a nutritionist with the SnapEd New York program. Today, I'm going to be teaching you to make a meal that can help you to save time, save money, and that tastes great. Today we'll be making grilled cheese and peaches. This recipe is especially great because adding twists to a classic like grilled cheese can help us to be open to new flavors. Using the My Plate as our guide, this delicious sandwich can help you to focus on getting enough whole fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. The vitamins and minerals that these foods provide, such as vitamins A, C, and potassium, can help with the health and maintenance of your body. Remember, everything we eat and drink over time matters. Great, now that we know some of the delicious benefits of this recipe, let's get started on preparing it. This recipe serves 4 people and costs about $12. Today for this recipe you will need 8 slices of whole grain bread, 1 15-ounce can of peaches, 8 ounces of low-fat cheese, an 8-ounce bag of spinach, and 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil. This recipe makes 4 sandwiches. Today, I'll only be making 2 sandwiches, so I'll be cutting all of the ingredients in half. Be sure to wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and warm water. Next, you'll want to be sure to rinse the peaches and spinach under cool running water to wash off any dirt left over on the produce that can potentially make you sick. Also, make sure that you clean all utensils, cutting boards, countertops, and any other equipment that you'll be using. First, let's heat our nonstick pan over medium heat and add 2 teaspoons of our vegetable oil. For the next part, you can layer your sandwich any way that you like. Today I will layer in this order. I'll layer in about 2 ounces of cheese, which is about 2 slices, per sandwich. My first layer will be 1 ounce or slice of cheese. My next layer will be a handful of spinach. The next layer, 4 to 6 peach slices. And then my last layer, another ounce of cheese. And finally, the last slice of bread. Let's toast each side for 4 to 5 minutes. This recipe calls for canned peaches, but you can even use fresh or frozen and defrosted peaches, which is helpful because you can make this recipe any time of year. Okay, now that our sandwich is done, let's try it out. Wow, the combination of the sweet from the peaches and savory from the cheese is really enjoyable. The ingredients for this recipe cost me about $12, and I have leftover bread, leftover spinach, and leftover peaches. There are a lot more recipes I can make with these ingredients. You can get creative and change up the spinach in the recipe for your favorite leafy greens, such as arugula or kale. You can also use a different cheese like American, Munster, Swiss, and Gouda, which are all good cheeses for melting. Just note, if you're changing the original recipe ingredients, the nutritional value will also change. To find more recipes like this, or to join us for a free nutrition workshop, visit snapednewyork.org or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you for watching. I hope that you love this grilled cheese and peaches as much as I do. Now that you've added fruits and vegetables to your lunch, where else can you add fruits and vegetables to your day? Remember, small changes make a big difference.
It starts with just one small change, and we're here to help. Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SnapEd New York. The program is free for all those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SnapEd can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material was funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.